Hi everyone, I am Philip Ching, the chief designer and the developer of this website. In this presentation, I shall explain how to download patterns from the USPTO. There are two methods to download the patterns. The first method is using keyword search. The second method is using the pattern numbers. But first, let us log into the system. And let us switch to the folder called Project A, because we want to work under the Project A. You know, each time you switch the folder, the system wants you to confirm, so you just click OK to confirm. Now, let us enter the keywords and hit the search button. The system will display information on username, folder name, and the keywords. When the system finishes its search, it will tell you how many patterns it has found. In this particular case, it tells you it has found 145 patterns and 140 pattern applications. You just click OK to confirm. After that, the system will tell you these patterns are ready for you to conduct pattern analysis. You just click OK to confirm. Now, let's go to pattern analysis box and enter some keywords and hit submit. You will see a whole list of keyword mapping. These numerical values are the number of matches in a pattern. The first number corresponding to the first keyword, the second number corresponding to the second keyword, and so on. This completes the pattern search presentation. We shall continue to explain the load pattern presentation. Now for load pattern, let's assume we want to switch to a new folder called Project B, and we enter some keywords in the pattern analysis part and hit the submit. You will see the system will display some messages says go to load pattern. This is because Project B, that folder Project B, is currently empty. So you just go to load pattern. So hit the load pattern. When you go to the load pattern, there is a text area. You can enter the pattern numbers. So you just enter the pattern numbers. In this example, we have 4 pattern numbers. The only thing you need to be aware is you have to follow the specific syntax of these pattern numbers. The system will confirm that these are the 4 patterns you want to be downloaded, and you click OK to confirm. After the system is completed loading, it would list those patterns that it has downloaded. You can see that the 4 patterns that you requested is downloaded in this list. Now the patterns are downloaded. Let's just enter some keywords and hit submit. Again, you will see a list of keyword mappings. The first numerical value corresponding to the first keyword, the second numerical value corresponding to the second keyword, and so on. This completes the load pattern part of presentation. Thank you.